What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. You're watching another Izzy's review, and today we are reviewing a whipped coffee recipe. Okay, so I've been seeing it online and I said I wasn't going to try it, but I had to try it because I love coffee and I've been in the kitchen experimenting, and I said, you know, I think I got some skills. Now let me say, this is my 4th attempt at this, and I want to show you before it melts the finished product. There will be some pictures, and I was going to do a voiceover, but I'm just going to add the video at the end of this commentary about me whisking and all that. I'm going to say, y'all, this stuff, okay, first few attempts, I thought that, okay, I won't use instant coffee. I'll just make a pot of coffee, let it cool, because I don't really like instant coffee, and I just so happen to have some for my other house in California. So I have the instant coffee in the pantry, but my first 3 attempts were with real coffee, cool down. So I followed the steps to the T, except instead of instant coffee and water, I use coffee. So I guess I didn't follow it to the T. I made my own recipe. It does not work. It does not whip. I blended it, I whipped it. It does not whip. Now, as you will see in this video, your hand will get tired. I stopped counting at 300 whisk. I was stirring, I was mixing, I was whisking, and it was changing. And it was changing before my eyes to this thick peanut butter color and consistency. So I don't have that many clear cups. So I use this margarita glass. This is the whip consistency. And I'm mixing it in there. And I'm going to try it with you guys. So, if I can remember, 2 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whip, 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 ice, and milk. I'm using almond milk. But look at that. I mixed it. We're going to try it together. Woo! This is strong. Bitter. It has a little sweetness from the sugar, but the instant coffee definitely, I can taste it. And my only problem with this is that the reason I don't drink instant coffee is because it tastes artificial, and I can taste that instant coffee taste in here. There's a little hint of like an espresso coffee taste, but I drink espresso. I can do a shot of espresso and just cream, or a shot of espresso and a little cream and sugar. That tastes good. This, I can taste the instant coffee. It's thick, it's buttery. This glass may be too small, and the coffee might be, the coffee to cream ratio may be off. So I'm going to try this one, where there's a little more cream to the coffee. Y'all. Whew. Better. It's bitter. Oh, it's so bitter. I don't know why I feel like consuming it this way, I'm going to be like jumping off the walls. Because I feel like the instant coffee isn't diluted like it should be, or maybe the whipping process activated the caffeine. I don't know. It's good. This is something I feel like you will definitely enjoy in sips throughout the day. I love coffee. I have 2 to 3 cups a day, and depending, like, my first cup is out of necessity, right? My second cup, like usually around 1 or 2, is for enjoyment, and my cup around 5, 6, or like 7-ish is like, okay, I need an extra kick. So I don't know. You tell me what you think. I am interested to try this recipe with different brands of the instant coffee. I feel like that's going to affect the taste, the brand. But it feels fancy. It's not really frothy. It's a thick, buttery cream texture. And I'm excited about the whipping process because I have a hand beater. And I was nervous because I tried to make macaroons one time and I don't have an electric beater. I have a hand one. So that was 6 attempts. And on the 7th, I realized that my eggs weren't room temp. So eggs being room temp matter. So I was worried that even though this is my 4th attempt at the whipped coffee, that I would have another disaster like with the macaroons. And I also tried another hand at whipping egg whites to make fluffy pancakes. And I finally got them, the peaks to stiffen, if you know what that means. When you're beating eggs, the peaks, the stiffer they are, the better it is at making your pastry fluffy. So that's something I learned. And they weren't really stiff peaks with this, but I could, and you're going to see in the video, you can see the consistency and the texture and the color of the whipped coffee changing, and that's how you know it's ready. And I was nervous that from the videos I've watched that mine wouldn't turn that color, but it did. So I'm here still in my jammies. You're going to see my Winnie the Pooh belly in the video. So, yeah, this is real life, guys. Real life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, leave a comment below and tell us what other videos you would like to see. Thank you so much for helping us grow this channel. We love you.